sewer repair and complete rehabilitation proposal in Silver Spring, Maryland. We have a main sanitary sewer line that is comprised of cast iron pipe that exits the house, at an angle. And about 8 feet deep at the point of that flag, there is a location where the roots have come into that pipe in a very heavy fashion. At the time of the service, it actually gave the impression that the pipe was broken. Yet after very heavy hydrojetting and camera inspection, the full entirety of the root was able to be removed. With that being said, this pipe is now ready for a repair and an outside clean out installation for future service. That being said, what we have to do is we gotta come in here with a mechanical excavator, protect the yard with track mats as the machine gets out here, carefully remove these pavers plus the bushes, and then dig down to 8 feet deep. This excavation will be approximately 4 foot wide by about 6 feet long. Once we get to the pipe, we're going to cut off of about 5 feet of pipe from the wall up to about here, and then from there we install a brand new clean out. That clean out will be with the direction heading out to the street, and it will transition back to cast iron. Once we pass inspection, gravel the pipe, backfill tamp, grade, replant these 3 bushes. Obviously the guaranteed survival is not going to be there, and reinstall these pavers. Now, a secondary part of the project will also be recommended with a no-dig lateral liner, for we have transite asbestos in this location up to the property line. That transite asbestos pipe appears to be 4-inch pipe, and at every joint it has about a 1/4 inch to 1 inch separation. I do have those pictures and I will submit them with the estimate. So what my liner would do is I would come in from the clean out, start just before the transition of PVC to cast iron, and continue all the way up to the property line. And what that would do is ensure that the rest of this pipe has been fully rehabbed and ready to go for the next 50 years, guaranteeing no further damage to that pipe. So option A, which is much needed, repair. Option B, which is very much recommended, is a complete rehabilitation by a lateral lining of the rest of that sewer line without having to dig up anything at all in the rest of that yard. That's what we got.